Good afternoon, tutor and college. My name is Edison Alberto Martinez Murcia. And course is Evaluation and the Negotiation of Technology. Step 3, Identify Technology Value. Tutor Jennifer Tovar. Liston diagrams. By both shows the difficulty of the little leaders on the evaluation methods by the technology managers and shades in the process, which are cause and consequences are sense. Cause and consequence. There is not idea on the value of technology. An impact or consequence is the level of maturity on the technology influence this leads on the least ability sooner with the evaluation. There's not training in the specialties to carry out technology supervised to provide information and evaluation methods. And in fact, there is little empirical evidence on development under these methods in the bonds in men course makes it difficult to learn. And the cause technology sales and buyers are not sensory in preparing and buses cause for the something in the particular, and the potential price in the technology is not definite. There are quality information that is complement occur in the time and commercials and aspect the production and marketing first. Thank you very much.